Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys know I'm such a skincare freak, so I had to come up with a pre and post Holi skincare routine. So I've shared a couple of my favorite products that I think are gonna be just amazing and perfect for your pre and post Holi skincare routine. If you guys want to know more about it, then please keep on watching. So I've been trying skincare and hair care products by this incredibly amazing brand called Khadi Essentials, and I have to say that I'm really impressed. So the products that I'm gonna share today are Ayurvedic, they are paraben and SLS free, and they have absolutely no toxins in them. And since they have no toxins in them, it is just perfect for your pre or post Holi skincare, because before playing Holi you want to apply products that are gonna really protect your skin, like a nice hair oil, a nice face serum, or just something to protect your skin and hair. And after Holi you want something that can reverse all the damage and just not strip your hair or skin off. You want something good. So all of these products are just gonna be perfect for that, because they're Ayurvedic and they're not gonna harm your skin any further. So starting off with skincare first, I've been using this Upton face serum by Khadi Essentials, and I am obsessed with this product. I have been religiously using this product every single day and night, and I am really impressed. So this is supposed to give you a really nice glow and radiance to your skin, and it is just going to protect your skin from all the toxic colors and any damage that will be caused by playing Holi. It has a really beautiful lightweight gel-like texture, and it really nicely absorbs into the skin, leaves it very hydrated. It is just very hydrating, and you guys know I have really dry skin, so this is something that has been helping me with hydration very well. And also the best part is the ingredients. You guys know I always look up to ingredients in any skincare or hair care product. It's just a habit. I always check the ingredients and then I put it on my face or hair. So this product has sea buckthorn extract, green tea extract, neem, vitamin C, amla extracts, avocado extracts. It also has aloe vera extracts. Aloe vera has so many good properties. It protects your skin from sun damage. I'm gonna show you guys the texture of this product. You guys can see it looks like a gel-like texture, and once you blend it in, it is just very hydrating. Like I can even feel the hydration on my hand right now. And this serum also smells really nice. It has an Upton like scent. And since we're talking about skincare, I also want to talk about this Khadi Essentials Swarnim soap. I have been using this since the past couple of days, and this is how it looks like. It's open because I've been using it, as I said. Again, this soap smells so good. It smells really nice, almost like sandalwood, and I've kept the packaging just to show you guys. So let's read out the ingredients. The Ayurvedic ingredients in this product are turmeric, sandalwood. It has shea butter, cocoa butter, kokum butter, like really nice hydrating ingredients. Also it has aloe vera, coconut oil, olive oil. Like the ingredients are just so great. This soap retails for 325 rupees, which is a pretty decent price. Also this soap suits all skin types, and it is very moisturizing. Usually soaps are very drying on the skin, and that's the main reason why I don't use soaps anymore. But this soap is really moisturizing. I also read the ingredients. They're very hydrating and moisturizing for skin, so it is a pretty safe product to use. Also it's gonna help you get rid of all the toxins, all the colors after Holi. So it's like the perfect post Holi product that you guys need. And as I said, this smells heavenly. It smells really good. Now let's move on to some hair care products. These are like my most favorite products from Khadi Essentials. I've been enjoying and loving their hair care products. Let's start with their hair oil that I have. This is the Khadi Essentials Marmik hair oil. This is a hair growth and dry scalp elixir, and this is how it looks like. The packaging is pretty basic and very nice. Like I really like the packaging of all of the products. They're not over the top, they're not very cheap, they're just really perfect. The main ingredients in this product are neem, tea tree, basil and vitamin E, and all of these ingredients are just amazing. If you're someone who suffers with a lot of dandruff, then tea tree is just gonna be a great savior for you. So this is just a really nice oil. This hair oil promotes hair growth and it prevents hair loss. So if you're someone who suffers with a lot of hair loss nowadays, I think everyone has been suffering with a lot of hair loss, this is just the perfect hair oil that you guys need. And you guys know I've been saying this since a very long time that I have started oiling my hair since the past couple of months, and I have been loving the results. Like, I have really dry hair because I used to not have such dry hair, but now that my hair is colored from the bottom, as you guys can see, it has just become so dry and damaged. And I also iron my hair every single day, so it's very dry, and oiling really helps me to nourish my hair, to gain that hydration and that moisturization back, and it also makes my hair look really shiny. So coming on to the texture of this hair oil, it is very different from all the other hair oils that I've tried. This one is very lightweight and very water-like, and it's not that heavy oily texture. It will not make your hair look or feel very heavy or oily. Also, this one retails for 999 rupees, and also I can read out some Ayurvedic ingredients in this product. So this one, as I said, it has neem oil, it has tea tree oil, it has clove oil, it has camphor oil, peppermint oil, spearmint oil, basil oil. You guys can see it has a lot more amazing ingredients. So this is just loaded with really nice ingredients for your hair. So this is definitely a must try from my side. So coming on to the shampoo and conditioner, these are the two products that I've been using since a couple of days. You guys can see I've already used so much of it. So this is the Khadi Essentials Gandhasar hair cleanser, and the conditioner is almond milk and arnica conditioner, and this is how it looks like. It comes in a really nice and convenient packaging. I really love the packaging of these products. Both of these products are sulfate free and also paraben free. I've been loving these two so much since the past couple of days. So why I have been reaching out to the shampoo and conditioner ka combo is because I wash my hair every alternate day. Since I'm always filming, I always keep on washing my hair just so that I can style it and it looks good in front of the camera. So this combo does not make me feel very guilty about washing my hair, because when you are washing your hair very frequently, and if you're using products with sulfates and parabens and all of the other toxins, then you're damaging your hair, you're making your hair really dry. And since these two products are Ayurvedic, they're paraben free, sulfate free, they have such great ingredients that is just gonna help your hair nourish and just condition. So this shampoo and conditioner you can use on a daily basis. If you have a lot of dandruff, if you have a really oily scalp and you need to wash your hair every other day, then this is something that will not make you feel guilty of washing your hair. Let's read out the main ingredients in this shampoo. So this one has sandalwood oil, it has aloe vera extract, it has amla, brahmi, bringraj, arnica flower extract, rose extract. It has some really great ingredients. Also, talking about the conditioner, this one has almond milk in it, as the name says. This one has almond milk, shea butter, amla extract, shikakai extract, it has thyme extract. It has again amazing ingredients, a lot more other ingredients. It is just very light and very nourishing and moisturizing for the hair. It's not a heavy conditioner, so it's just great for an everyday use. Also, all of these hair care products are a damage control combo, so it's just perfect for your post-Holi skincare regime. These are the perfect hair care products that you need for the aftermath of Holi. Also, it's really important to be safe this Holi. Don't use any toxic colors or anything that is going to damage the environment. So you guys can shop colors from Khadi Essentials. They have 100% organic colors to make your Holi even better and safer. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. I hope you guys found your perfect pre and post Holi skincare products. And also, if you guys enjoyed today's video, then please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!